Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Today we don't carry another one come. My people, things they happen so women they depress well. May I play this video before we talk? May I play this video more than listening to this person before we can talk more, can add our little word join now. My people, let's go. This video wey I wan play so na video wey dey go viral for inside TikTok. Na this video for dey go viral. The video dey trend everywhere. Where this woman for the paro say if he kpai e pikin wey carry for belle, say if he kpai am, e dey vex. Dey insult the papa of dey insult the papa of the pikin. Dey insult the pikin join an innocent child. This is bad. This is bad, madam. Mo play this video before I will talk.
As you ugly, that's why your power ugly. More than as your papa ugly, that's why you ugly. Waiter. Then what the way a pretty we're going to German or a god in Nimeno.
Jesus.
I love your pikin. I am sorry for your pikin because I'm born for Bele. I put sorry for her. You gotta go rich now. Say don't get it out. Show me. You know they can't show me. Now social media but they tell you so again. You want to tell you how is how to pepper soup. This time when pepper soup again, but to show me and give assistance social. And well usual. Give the pikin. When the papa they do like wish like fish where it be. All of them now tell them they take off the pikin. You know they see what they right say. Whether they money we want to smoking though. Like say get money and they smoking though. Well like but we be sure. See how much they are so? 50 euro. I never ever use them. So I buy anything. No I buy this thing so that in case if I want to buy clothes or buy anything for my children, that is why I can get this card. It's go play card. You see 50 euro that it takes and I just don't want you to be not use them. Wow, well. Maybe I tell you some money give your wife before. But I push first shoulder for this one and sell your wife for Tokyo.
My people now they hear wetin and they hear. Now they hear wetin and they hear. I know say most people go don't see this video on Facebook because so many presenters don't they share on. So I saw this video on a Lolo talk show. We will also go through the comment section. You know now, now know say they always go through comment section. So before we go through the comment section, my people, I want to talk to this woman before I go through the comment section. My dear, you say your pikin first. You say your pikin he war like a papa. If your pikin war like a papa, you use your hand to maintain her. Our people say na our hand. Now they take your hand. Then you take maintain with your thing when not good. If you like this cloth now, and maybe this one are your best cloth, and it don't dey spoil, you go dey arrange am well may not spoil for your hand. If you like, maybe you like man now, and this man e no fine as you take one time, you use your hand. Our people say na our hand we take dey maintain our thing. I don't know if I dey make any point here. I don't know if this parable when they try make when they talk and way. Now your hand you take maintain your thing. When people will see and they go admire am. You say your pikin e no pockish well, e no pockish reach wetin you want. You use your hand, you take arrange am, e go be wetin you want. Anyway, pikin wey I see for there, she's so beautiful. She be beautiful child. Wetin I see for here, Nana. You say you want I don't know because all this dirty word not be word to they talk for social media. You say you want by your whole blood when you carry for how many months for belle because say the man leave you. My dear, not try am. Man no give you money to take care of your child, no try am. You dey under social for there, you dey under government or wherever you dey, dem dey assist you with something, manage. Tomorrow dat child go be wetin you want. Tomorrow dat child go be one great person for life wey people go wan see. Okay, you dey maltreat her now, tomorrow she start to dey maltreat you, she start to say no, she no wan talk to you. You see issue wey we first get about mama and wetin I no wan call it. You see that issue when people come dey talk many things, forgive. Na something reach when make that boy dey vex for him mama. Person no just dey eat belle full say I no wan talk to my mom wey carry me for belle, wey give me life. Tomorrow now this girl go your daughter go dey maltreat you when you don old. People wey no know the story, they will say she be wicked pikin. They no know say na wetin you don do your child na im make her dey vex for you. Imagine a mother who carry her child for good 9 months. Some child dey pass 9 months. You carry your pikin come out for social media, dey tell dem say na so you go take kpai your pikin, na so you go take use your blood hair take hit ground, you wan kpai her. Come on, we mothers sometimes make we dey reason. Abi no pay you, you no suffer when you dey carry am. Even though you no suffer, let that love of a mother be there. Say your pikin no fine, na so e be like im papa, you can still do it. You can do am, yes. You fit use your hand arrange your thing to the one you like. So pikin when you carry it come out, you use am dey proud, dey boast give people, yes, she is my child. You use am dey boast give people like that. Why is it that some mother, I no know, some mother dey just be something else. I no know why God, sorry say I dey question you. I no know, God dey bless people wey no need pikin, wey no know the value of children. Some people dey wey dey cry for pikin, some people dey wey need child. Dem no see pikin born. But all this igbo smoker, God dey favour them, but they no know the value. My dear, if you don't need that child, social dey na im make dem get social for abroad. Carry go give social, they go take your child from you, they will take care of am. No dey hurt her. Imagine before you come out come talk this word say you fit kpai your own blood, you fit kpai her. Imagine wetin you dey do this baby for inside house when people no go dey see. I just feel like crying for this woman because na she come yeye pass. As a mother, na you come yeye pass. No matter what your baby papa do you, no matter wetin your baby papa do you, no be for your pikin body, no put am. She no send you, she no beg you to bring her to this world. She never beg you. You no fit carry small pikin, innocent child come this world just because you and the papa no dey in good term. You come dey put the anger. You come dey put the anger on that child wey no send you message. When you know say you do mugele that time, e sweet you, e sweet with me. And e enter, you know the boy no want am, you say you no want am, you know what to do. No be say you come carry small pikin come and say na so you wan take kpai small pikin. Na so the small pikin no take fine. E no fine, no be your thing, you no go maintain am with your hand, make fine. No be make dem get cream, na make dem dey make children hair beautiful. You buy her nice clothes, she go fine for your eyes. If you get love for that child, she go fine for your eyes. And for the men also, una know say the man dey write for the comment section say this woman na igbobia. You know say this woman na igbobia, you give her belle, you dey do, na God know how many times you did do proper. You do the do proper finish, e can't enter, you run leave am, you say na igbobia. You no fair know say na igbobia when you dey do the do proper. You do today, you wan tell me say she just pretend for you? 100% this kind kilometer no fit pretend for person. You no know say na igbobia when you carry belle give am. You put her for a mother line. She tell you say she wan be mother when you put her. All these boys all these boys, one una know say this thing una no go fit. This woman no be your kind of woman. You dey date her o, dey date her. No be say una date for 1 month, no be say una date for 2 months. You dey follow this woman until this woman go get belle. When she get belle, una go still dey o. Maybe you don send her go one place now, you come carry another girl. All these men, una still dey get una sense. The father of this girl, you are the reason this small girl, this innocent child, dey face pain, dey face wetin she dey face right now. Before a mother come out come dey talk this kind yeye word for mouth, na God know wetin she dey do that small girl for inside house. It's so painful. I see this video, this when I just enter house, I enter my Facebook, I saw this video. I feel like crying because this innocent child, e no say una, two of una wey abandon the man, wey abandon the woman wey come dey maltreat this child now. She no send una bring her to the world. Una know say una no fit take care of her, una no fit give her that love wey she wants. I feel like crying right now because this thing na very painful thing. When you know say even the woman, please madam igbobia, please try and take this child to social, anywhere social around you. They no tell you say no, they will collect am for your hand, tell them say you no fit again before you go do wetin you no suppose do. Give them, they go take am, they will take care of that child. Tomorrow, no cry, no tell them say you want that child back. Tomorrow now, they will collect that baby for your hand. Una will cry, come and say, they're not good. Social so country, their social don't carry your pikin. Meanwhile, now una be the problem of una self. Now una dey worry una self. Even must you maltreat her? Why not let that child be your best friend? Why not let that child be your love? This is so painful, my people. More go through the comment section, more see wetin people talk for the comment section, my wonderful people. Our first comment, oh, they take for you, harm that child. She is innocent of the trouble you are experiencing. A lot of couples are out there looking for these blessings, and you are here joking with the life of this beautiful baby that God has given to you. I wish she is mine. You will not really understand what God has done for you. She can never understand. People dey outside, people dey, mothers, they do fasting and prayer, dry fasting to even get one. Why God favor people? God favor some people that they play with them. Let's take our next comment, my people. What a war. God send a helper to this innocent child of yours. And our next commenter say, please God, I'm feeling pain for this child. Even me, I feel like crying for this child. Now God know wetin this child will dey pass through inside. Imagine for social media somebody fit carry a child, carry come and say he wan kpai am. Imagine when she dey alone with the child, wetin that small baby go dey pass through. Some mother no want am. Some mother dem no want am at all. Our next commenter say, please, if you are close to her, report her to the authority. I think she is depressed. Help for the little child and mother. Please, my people, she is not okay. Depression is real, please. Mother, if you are feeling any form of stress, depression, please seek for medical help on time. You are 100% right. Actually, I no even believe, I no believe say she dey depressed, because she get another man for inside that house. She dey say honey honey. Wetin come make her dey depressed? Some mother are just too wicked. I don't know how to talk am. Some mother just dey wicked, just based on how the man take treat her. She wan use the way take treat the little girl, the innocent girl wey no send her, message, wey no beg am say bring me come life. When tomorrow now that small girl will come be great person or whatever, she don grow up, she come decide say you are not my mother, people go say she don wicked. People come dey judge her. Dem no know wetin the mother do her. This is so bad, eh? Our next commenter say depression is real. Oh, just depression is real. Just because say the man is not with you, and you are doing this to the child, poor child, God will fight for this child. Amen. I just pray somebody around there fit report this woman. They'll fit report this woman so that social will take the child away from her. I don't know why social they know they see all this kind of thing. Now people were ready to take care of their pikin. Now social go they collect. See like this kind one now when they will collect once. Our next commenter say that child is passing through pain. My heart is so heavy. Fuck. Some women. My people, I'm just too tired. Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you, my amazing people, for watching this video. Please no fail to drop your comments. Wetin you wanna think about this thing, the voice I just pray for the beginning of this video. Please no fail to drop your comments if you get any opinion. And if una know this person, una no fail to report her to social so that they will collect the pikin from her, because she no need that. God bless you, my amazing people. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel to help us support us to grow this channel. Subscription is free, and please, when you subscribe, on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any new video, una go receive our video. God bless you. Please share this video. Share if you can share this video for us. God bless you. I love you.